At age 45, you're making one huge mistake with your retirement, and chances are you don't even realize it yet. By the time most people discover this error, it's too late to fix. But today, I'll show you exactly what to do right now to avoid this costly blunder. 1. The mistake. Here's the number one mistake: thinking you have plenty of time. The truth? Every year you wait costs you thousands. Let me show you why. Meet two friends, Alex and Sam. Both are 45. Both earn $75,000 a year. Alex starts saving seriously today. Sam waits just 5 more years. By retirement, Alex has nearly twice as much money. That's the power of starting now. Star 2 dash the solution. The good news? Fixing this is easier than you think. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Save at least 15% of your income, not just in your 401k. Split it between different accounts. Step 2. Invest in low-cost index funds. These beat most professional investors over time. Step 3. Plan for healthcare costs. A health savings account can save you thousands in taxes. Star 3. Common myths. Now let's bust some dangerous myths. Myth number 1. Social Security will be enough. The average benefit is just $1,500 a month. Myth number 2. You can catch up later. Each one you don't save now means one you don't save now means 5 less in retirement. Myth number 3. Investing is too risky. Not investing is the biggest risk of all. Remember, the best time to fix this was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple money tips. And tell me in the comments, when did you start saving for retirement?